Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount, and today's class we are going to take how to create dormer windows. Okay, so let me show you an example here. So you can see here, whenever we give a sloped roof, we create a dormer window like this. Okay, so if you want to create a window like this, we call it as a dormer window. So let us start here. So I have already taken 4 walls. So here what I'll be doing is I'll be placing my roof first. Okay, so I need a sloped roof, so I'll go to level 2, I'll go to architecture, drop down roof, select roof by footprint. Using these draw tools, just draw the boundaries of the roof as per your requirement. Okay, click on finish. Next here I'll go to 3D, and here I'll change the thickness of the roof here. So next here what I have to decide is like where do I need my dormer window exactly. Now for example, if I need my dormer window here, so what I'll do is again I'll go to level 2, and here I'll select wall. So you can take a wall of any thickness, and you have to place a wall on the big roof in the shape of U, how much and where you need your dormer window. Okay, so how big you need your dormer window, so much you have to place your U shape wall here. Okay, so for example, if I'm placing it like this, so after you place a wall, on this wall again what do I need to do is again I need to place a roof. So let me tell you why did I place a wall here. So you can see this is my small roof and there will be a wall here. So only because of this I have placed my wall in the shape of U. Next again I'll place a sloped roof on this wall. So again here I'll select roof by footprint using draw tools. Again here I'll draw the boundaries of my small roof. Okay, so you have to draw it accurately, and the small roof, that is the dormer window roof, should not be bigger than your big roof here. Okay, so as I need two-sided roof like this, so what I will do is I will just select these two boundaries and I will undefine it. Click on finish. Here just click on yes. It will ask you, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof. Click on yes, so I need it attached. Next here I'll come to 3D. Before doing anything, just please change the thickness of the roof here. If you don't change the thickness of the roof, you'll not get a exact. So one more thing you have to keep in mind here is whenever you draw the roof, it should be exactly in middle of the these two peaks should be matching. Okay. So next here you have to just use the arrow keys in the keyboard and just move the small roof at what distance height you need. So next here what I need to do is this roof I need to attach it to this roof here. So what I have to do, I have to join the roofs here. So here first what I will do is I will set my view in such way like I should be able to see the front side of the big roof and the back side of the small roof. Next here I'll go to modify, and here in geometry panel I'll select join and unjoin roof. Next just select the small roof, that is the back side of the small roof and the front side of the big roof here. So you can see it is got joined. After you join it, you can see here there's a gap between the roof and the wall here. So what you need to do is just select this and just drag it, and you have to take this up till this point. So the same thing I'll be doing it both the sides. Sometimes it will happen and sometimes it will not happen, depends on what you have taken the size of your roof here. Okay, so you can see exactly I have joined the roof to my big roof. Okay, so you can see it is exactly looking similar to this. So next here, what is the next step? What I have to do is the dormer window is being created outside but not inside. You can see here I need a dormer cut here, the place where I have placed my dormer window. So what I have to do is I have to subtract this place where I have placed my dormer window. So for that, here I'll go to architecture, and in opening panel here you have the option of dormer opening. select dormer opening, and I'll be selecting the bigger roof here. So why I'm selecting the bigger roof? Why? Because I need the cut in the bigger roof here. So I'll select the bigger roof, and here I'll go to the bottom view, and I'll pick the inside portion of the wall. I have to pick the inside portion of the wall, and then later I'll go to the top view and I'll select the slope of the roof here. Next here, using trim and extend the lines here, okay, which are required, and you have to create a exact shape what you're able to see it here now, like this. After you complete this, just click on finish, and just I'll go to the bottom view and see, and you can see there's a dormer opening. So this is how you can create a dormer opening over here. So next, for ventilation purpose and all that, if you want, you can place just one window here. So I'll just go to load family, and I'll go to windows, and I'll select a similar window which is being displayed over there. So I have to change the height of this, the length and the height of this. Suppose I'll make it as 3 feet and 3 feet, 3 feet by 3 feet. I'll take the window here, so you can place it here. So you can see here, this is how your dormer window will be looking. Okay, so you can create dormer window in Revit architecture like this. Okay, so I hope the dormer window is totally clear with you. So thank you everyone. For more videos, you can like and subscribe the video.